How to fix Webpage Not Available error in your Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can fix the Webpage not being available into your Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So there may be various reasons why your web page is not being available on your Android device. One of them is because that particular website is not available at all, like the website has been deleted. That may be one of the reasons. Otherwise, that may be because of your network operator. So in order to change that, if you are on a mobile data, just head over to the settings of your device. After that, just gonna look for the option called connections share. Just head over to the connections and you're gonna look for the option called mobile network share. Just tap on it and you'll be able to see your SIM here, like your SIM 1 and SIM 2. You're just gonna look up for this option called access points name first and head over to and you're gonna look up for the SIM that you usually operate for mobile data while accessing any of the browsers. So just tap on the three dot at the top and you can find this reset to default option. Just tap on it and confirm this reset APN settings. After that is done, after the APN settings is reset, you're just gonna head back and here you'll be able to find this option called network operators. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can find this option called select automatically. Just turn it off and you're going to select your own network operator, which will help you to get your web page available to you. Here you'll be finding different kind of options for your network operators. Select that manually and confirm it. After that, that should probably fix your issue. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to fix your web page not being available onto your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.